DC Blue Advanced Roll-Up, activation of beams, beam setup, B3. As you can see, with my receiver of my beams, it is wired normally closed, and I already have my 100 ohm resistor in place. To begin, press and hold A and B for 3 seconds to enter programming mode. Buzzer beeps twice. Press and release B down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 2 flashes. Press and release A and B to enter that mode. 2 rapid beeps. Both LEDs are on. LED A is on the current level. LED B flashes 3 times to indicate which programming mode menu we are in. Adjust if required with either A or B. We will activate our infrared safety beams. Press and release A once to activate. To save, press and release both A and B. 2 rapid beeps. We are still in program mode with both LEDs on. Either proceed to set up additional features or press and hold A and B for 3 seconds to exit.